Good morning, class 7. The topic which we are going to study is how people change habitats and how to protect habitats from the chapter environment and feeding relationship. How people change habitats. There are certain human activities that can change the habitat of the living organisms. The activities are deforestation and pollution. In this flowchart, you can see that the human activities pollution, which is further divided into land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. And the second aspect is the deforestation. Deforestation is the destruction of forest as a result of the human activities, or it is simply the clearance of land to get a clear land. Reasons of the deforestation is to obtain land for housing or agriculture or for the human settlements. It is a source of timber, resin, gums and papers. Effect: it destroys the natural habitats of the wildlife, animals and plants. Next, the pollution. Definition is the presence or the introduction of any contaminant or poisonous or harmful substance in the environment. Pollution is another agent that brings the change in the habitat. So pollution can be of land, air or water. First of all, we will see the land pollution. It affects the land, destroying life, the environment and its habitat. Example is when the litter is thrown on the ground, it kills the plants and causes, and if it was thrown in the water, it causes aquatic animals to get sick or die. You can see in these pictures that if the litter is thrown on the ground or in the water, it will be a source of water pollution. Similarly, the factories, the smoke directly into the environment. Next comes the water pollution. Water pollution, the factories that release the waste or the toxic material in the water, that will simply destroy the aquatic life. Let us take the example of sewage. Sewage from the houses, it contains fat, toilet waste, food particles, detergent, and when the human beings drink that water, it will cause diseases and simply destroy the aquatic life. Air pollution. Air is contaminated with the harmful or poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide or nitrogen oxide or carbon dioxide. Factories and motor vehicles, they add smoke or poisonous gases into the air, so this air get polluted and damages our health and environment. Air pollution causes the acid rain that will destroy the pond and lake environments. Now, how to protect the habitats? We can protect the habitat into 3 different ways, like reduce means to cut down the use of resources. The example of reuse is that when there is an oil glass, you can do the paintings, make it a decoration piece. Reuse means to not to throw the things away, but to use them again and again. Reuse can be if you have a paper and you can use the other side of the paper for rough work or doing the calculation. Recycles means to make new thing for the used material. How the new things are made? The old things are collected, molded, cleaned, and they are formed into a new